Hey everyone, I just want to come on real quick and share 3 tips for international living for those who are planning on living abroad and what you can do to prepare for your journey. And hopefully these tips will help. They surely help me, and these are things that I do in preparation of living abroad. So, leave in the comments if you have any more tips to share with others. But here are my 3 tips for expats, for those who are planning on living abroad.
Top 3 tips on living abroad. Number 1. Research country destination. This is the most important tip. Visa requirements. Required shots. Language. Currency. Cost of living. Culture. Food. Social norms. Demographics. Familiarize yourself with what to expect as much as possible and prepare. Number 2. Have a means of financial support. Remote jobs. Online businesses. A substantial savings are just a few ways to ensure you can financially support yourself while living abroad. Number 3. Research and reach out to other expat groups in the destination country as a resource to help with housing, transportation, or other questions you may have.